Welcome to How to Animate tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to animate using Capcut. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to add the photos that you want to animate. So after you add the photos, add them to the timeline, as you see. So first you need to add the images in this section, as you see here. Then you need to click on the image that you want to add an animation to. So here you have two options. You can set a ready template animation from here, or you can make your own animation. So to make your own animation, you need to click on the scale and click on position keyframe, as you see here. Then you can go to here, and then from here you can set the scale as you want. I will put it here, and you can set the position to this. Then you can go here and add the photo to here. Then as you see, the animation is made. So we can go to this picture and add another animation. So let's check the scale keyframe and the position keyframe, and then we can make the picture bigger from here and then make it smaller on the last side, as you see. We can make it smaller and then disappear. Then you can delete it if you want. And as you see, this is the animation that will be done. It will be smaller in time. So that's how you make animation in Capcut. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.